Hilton Honors American Express Surpass Credit Card Review. Hello world travelers, reward enthusiasts, and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I will give you an overview of the card, pros and cons, and my take on the card. In today's video, I'll be going over the Hilton Honors American Express Surpass Credit Card. This card is fairly transparent about its fee structure, so there really aren't any gotchas to be aware of. There's no foreign transaction fee, so purchases made outside the US won't cost you anything extra. You should consider the $95 annual fee and what the card's benefits are worth to you in comparison. If you think you could earn rewards of greater value than the annual fee over the course of the year by accumulating points toward award night stays, then the fee may be well justified. The Hilton Surpass is a popular mid-tier credit card for travelers who prefer Hilton hotels and offers a variety of benefits for a low annual fee. It's one of 3 American Express consumer Hilton-branded credit cards. The Hilton Surpass card's most appealing feature is the instant Hilton Gold status, which normally requires 40 nights or 20 stays to earn. In 2021, Hilton had reduced that requirement to 20 nights or 10 stays. A daily food and beverage credit at participating hotels, possible room upgrades, and the 5th consecutive night free on reward stays are all benefits of Gold status. Although, unlike other major hotel credit cards in this price range, the Surpass does not include an annual free night. It does earn bonus points on purchases made at U.S. supermarkets and gas stations. Spend $15,000 on the card annually and get a free weekend night at most Hilton properties. Your credit score must be good to excellent with a range of 650 to 850 to be approved. Let's get into the pros and cons of the Hilton Honors American Express Surpass credit card. Pros. The card had great rewards rates across many categories. This card features a tiered rewards rate structure with 3 different levels. Even at the lowest level, members earn 3 points per dollar on purchases. That's far better than other cards, which typically offer just 1 point per dollar at the lowest rewards tier. It also has a not too shabby introductory rewards bonus. When it comes to bonuses, the Hilton Honors American Express Surpass credit card outperforms the competition. After spending $2,000 on purchases in the first 3 months of card membership, you can earn 130,000 extra points. Plus, in the first 12 months of card membership, receive up to $130 in statement credits on qualified purchases made on the card at any Hilton family hotel. Another pro is the absence of a foreign transaction fee is helpful to international travelers and those who regularly make purchases outside the U.S. Earn up to $130 in statement credits on eligible purchases made on the card at any of the Hilton family hotels in the first 12 months of card membership. Free weekend night after $15,000 in purchases on the card each year. Automatic Gold Elite status. Includes 10 complimentary one-time Priority Pass select airport lounge visits with enrollment. Cons. This card is mainly rewarding for Hilton guests. To get the most rewards from this card, you'll need to be partial to Hilton hotels. You could still earn 3 points per dollar on hotel bookings with other brands, but that's a fraction of the rewards you could earn by staying at a Hilton portfolio property. There is a high minimum spending requirement to earn the bonus. To earn the 130,000 point bonus offer, you'll need to charge at least $2,000 in eligible purchases in the first 3 months. That may not be difficult if you have a trip in the works or you're charging everyday purchases, but if you're not, that target may be harder to hit. There are no introductory APR for purchases or balance transfers. Some hotel credit cards and travel rewards cards offer a 0% APR introductory period for purchases or balance transfers. That's attractive if you're planning to transfer a balance or charge an expensive trip. This card unfortunately doesn't offer any type of promotional rate for new members. The regular variable APR for purchases is 15.99% to 24.99% based on creditworthiness. Let's get into earning rewards. The Hilton Honors American Express Surpass credit card offers many options to earn points on purchases. The first is to make a reservation with Hilton. When card members book hotel or resort stays at a Hilton property directly with Hilton, they get 12 points per dollar spent. Then, when you use your card to spend in U.S. supermarkets, gas stations, and restaurants, you can earn 6 points per dollar spent. Every dollar spent on additional purchases earns you 3 points. These points rates are comparable to those offered by other travel rewards cards on similar transactions. To redeem rewards, this card's points can be used to book stays at Hilton hotels. For hotel stays, you'll need anywhere from 5,000 to 95,000 points. Unfortunately, Hilton no longer provides an awards chart that shows how many points are required for redemption. Instead, the number of points required for an award night is determined by when and where you book. Using the Hilton Points Explorer tool, you can estimate how many points you'll need. Other than booking hotel stays at Hilton locations, you can use your points in other ways. You can also use Hilton Honors points to get benefits of online shopping, dining, gift cards from Hilton, tickets for concerts, travel trips and other unique experiences, automobiles on rent, miles from airlines, rail kilometers, packages for vacations and resort stays, donations to charity. You can also transfer your points to friends and relatives who are members of the Hilton Honors program. To increase your reward potential, spending the $2,000 minimum is required to get the 130,000 introductory bonus points is the first step toward maximizing rewards with this card. To meet that goal, you need to charge at least $585 every month for the first 3 months, which you might do by combining vacation with ordinary spending, such as a weekly grocery shopping trip. Additionally, after spending $10,000 on the card in the first 6 months, you can earn an additional 50,000 points. Booking hotel stays with Hilton and paying with this card is the next best option to maximize rewards. Depending on how much you spend, the amount of rewards you can receive and the value of those points will vary. If you are wondering whether this card is for you, the Hilton Honors American Express Surpass credit card is well suited for travelers who choose Hilton as their go-to motel, when you compare it to the hotelier's other co-branded card options. Hilton Honors American Express card and the Hilton Honors American Express Aspire cards. It falls right in the middle in terms of rewards, benefits, and cost. If you're already enrolled in the Hilton Honors loyalty program, this card could help you reach the top tier of benefits faster, since you're already starting off with complimentary gold status. How quickly you can get to diamond status depends on how often you spend, since you need 120,000 base points to qualify. The Hilton Surpass is an attractive option for Hilton fans who value their Hilton Gold status. Otherwise, go with a rewards card that can be used for anything. Gold status is more valuable for those who prefer Hilton and typically stay at one of the higher-end properties, such as the Waldorf Astoria or Comrade hotels, because of the food and beverage credit and possible room upgrades. If your tastes are more budget-conscious and you frequent places like the Hampton Inn or Hilton True, where breakfast is always included in the room rate and only standard rooms are available, the card's gold status may not be as useful to you. However, you can still take advantage of the card's 5th night free on award stays. Here are my thoughts on the card. I would rate this card 8 out of 10 for rewards. 9 out of 10 for benefits. Low fees, a 4 out of 10, and customer experience, a 9 out of 10. While a bit pricey in the general credit card universe, the $95 annual fee is in line with what you'd expect from similar hotel or travel rewards cards that are just below the premium rewards category. The introductory bonus offer alone can help justify this fee for 6 years, though, so that's important to keep in mind. The 3 points per dollar you get for everyday purchases is pretty good, considering that many general travel rewards cards, like Chase Sapphire Preferred, only offer 1 point per dollar on everyday spending. On the other hand, those cards also have fewer restrictions on redeeming points. While you can transfer Hilton Honors points to travel partners, those don't include other hotels. With the aforementioned Sapphire Preferred card, for example, you can transfer points to eligible hotels and airlines on a one-to-one basis. If you're looking for that kind of flexibility, you might do better to choose a more general travel rewards card in place of a co-branded hotel rewards option. At the end of the day, the best hotel credit card is determined by your travel patterns and interests. This wraps up my review of the Hilton Honors American Express Surpass credit card. Let me know what you think of it. Thank you for sticking it out through to the very end of this video. Nothing helps out my channel more than y'all watching the entire video. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word, and until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.